Airline is really the celebration of the glamour of flying. Right through from fashion and food to the interior design and branding. The inspiration for this book came from my days as a boy, when my dad, who was an aircraft engineer, used to drag our family around the planet. That was in the mid-60s, and it was a fabulously glamorous time to fly on commercial airlines. And decades later, those memories are still with me, and I wanted to explore what happened to that fashionable era, where it all started, and the development and the adaptation of it over the years. As I began my research, more and more content was revealed, not only through photographic libraries, but in particular the airline's archives. And as a consequence, there's a rich and varied mix of material in the book. So what I discovered was that the human culture and comforts that we expect on the ground have to be maintained and developed for life at 30,000 feet. So there is, in a surreal sense, a parallel universe up in the sky, from clothing, fashion design, through to food, service. And I'm also interested in the successful and the sometimes ridiculous corporate identities applied by the airlines. I think that anyone who travels by air will be interested in this book, but I think there's more to it than that. Culturally and aesthetically, it's a reflection of what's been happening over the past 60 years, and to put it simply, it's a rediscovery of the romance of flying. And actually, I have my parents to thank for that experience. And for the adventure.